In this video, I'll guide you through how to mirror your laptop screen over to your Philips smart television. So this can be really useful if you want to use your TV screen as a second monitor. Maybe you just want to extend your workspace or you want to blow something up on the big screen. Then this video will show you exactly how to do that. So we first just need to grab our television remote and you need to ensure that your TV is turned on. And then we just need to pull up the settings menu. Now on every model of television, this may be slightly different, but for my particular model, we just need to press the home button located in the middle here, then use the up arrow key to come over to settings and scroll all the way over to all settings and press OK. Then come down to wireless and networks and scroll across. Click on view network settings, and what you need to do is just make sure that your television is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop. So as you can see on the screen here, my TV network is connected to this BTSSA network. And now if we head over to our laptop and come down to the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom right hand side, you can see that I'm also connected to this same network here. Now once you've ensured that both your television and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi, on your laptop you need to head over to this plus symbol in the bottom down here and click on Edit Quick Settings like so. Then press on the Add button at the bottom here, select Cast. And as you can see, this has now added the cast icon to this menu. Then we can click on done. And then what will happen is now every time that I click on this Wi-Fi symbol, we'll have this feature here for screen casting. So what you need to do is just quickly come over to your television and press the source button on your TV remote. That's this one at the top here. Then from your list of sources, we need to come over to mirrorcast and select this. Once you have the mirrorcast screen on your TV like so, then we can head back over to our laptop and select this cast feature from the list. This is going to scan for any available devices in the area. As long as your TV and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then your TV should appear in this list like so. So I can just go ahead and select this 55PU, which is my television device. And then you'll just need to wait a couple of seconds for this to connect. If this is your first time connecting, it can take 10 to 20 seconds in order for this to come through. And then once it's connected like so, you should be able to see your laptop screen on your TV. Now, once it's connected up, we have a couple of different options that we can choose from in here. You can either decide to duplicate your screen, which is the default option. And this is basically just going to mirror everything you do on your laptop over to your television. You can also choose to extend the screen. And what this is going to do is it's just going to use your television monitor as a second monitor. So what you'll be able to do is drag over applications and things like that over to your TV monitor. And then you can kind of use this as a second working screen. And then the last option we have in here is second screen only. And what this is going to do is it's going to disconnect your laptop screen and everything will just be exclusively on the television. So for most of you, just using the duplicate option is going to be enough. Once you're finished with the screen mirroring, we can just come down to this disconnect button at the bottom here, and that's going to stop mirroring to your TV. Alternatively, you can just press the home button on your television remote, and this will also stop the screen sharing. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you mirror your laptop screen over to your Philips smart TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.